So, another topic related to contracts is reformation of instruments. Now, what if yung, kunwari, yung napag-usapan nyo orally ay sinulat nyo sa contract pero iba yung nakalagay sa contract at iba yung oral. Usually kasi there could be a lot of causes kung bakit pwedeng magkaroon ng discrepancy doon sa written form at sa oral sa napag-usapan nyo originally pwedeng pangit yung grammar nung gumawa at nabago yung meaning ng words, nabago yung agreement in general dahil doon sa mali-maling grammar nung nagsulat, or siguro may nagkamali lang sa may nagkamali lang doon sa may nagkamali sa pagkaka-phrase ng instrument itself. So the remedy is to reform the instrument, to baguhin siya. Baguhin siya to reflect kung ano talaga yung napag-usapan, kung ano talaga yung original intention ng parties. Reformation of instrument is the remedy where there has been a meeting of the minds. Merong napag-usapan, merong meeting of the minds about the object and cause. Therefore, this is a contract. Merong napag-agrihan about sa object, kung ano yung magiging paksa nung contract, at kung ano yung consideration, magkano yung bayad, or ano yung bakit nila ginawa yung contract na yan. But there is a failure to express the true intention of the parties dahil kumbaga nagkaroon ng failure na i-express kung ano man yung totoong intention ng mga parties doon sa written form ng contract, which may be due to mistake, nagkamali lang, kumbaga inadvertently, na napalitan yung meaning because of, I don't know, clerical error, or English error, pwede rin, or fraud or inequitable conduct, pwede rin naman na sinadya, na i-phrase in a different way, pero well, iba pala yung napag-usapan doon sa totoong doon sa nakalagay doon sa kontrata, or by mere accident. Accidentally siguro may na-omit or whatever. May diyan, may pwedeng magkaroon ng reformation of instrument. Yung mistake kanina is yung kunwari, or yung accident, yun yung clerical, sorry, I'm mistaken there. Yung sa mistake, merong hindi na pagkaintindihan on a circumstantial yet a circumstantial and important part of no contract, which may be hindi talaga yun yung intention, but what's written, so nagkamali. So the instrument can be reformed because of that. Okay. So yun yung remedy mo kapag mali yung nakalagay dun sa contract at sa true intention. Okay, so let's go to interpretation of contracts. So what if there are doubts doon sa phrasing ng contract, or there are doubts doon sa mismong meaning or interpretation ng contract? Now, of course, if the intention is clear from the contract's language, we don't have to do anything. We just have to interpret it literally kung ano yung nakalagay doon. Now, if the intention is not clear, the intention of the parties shall prevail, which can be na maaaring ma-ascertain by interpreting the contract as a whole and according to the usage and custom of the place. So, kung hindi malinaw yung intention, pwede mong you need to circulate back doon sa intention talaga ng mga parties, na pwede nating makita, one, by interpreting the contract as a whole. Titignan mo yung kontrata sa kabuuan, ano ba yung intention nila, mga ganyan. And according to the usage or custom of the place, titignan mo rin yung custom or yung usage doon sa lugar, kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng mga nakalagay doon, etc. You need to interpret it that way. Now, if these rules are not enough, you can always interpret the contracts in this wise. Kapag gratuitous siya, kumbaga, kapag if there is, gaya nga ng sabi na-discuss natin kanina, yung gratuitous ay out of liberality. Kumbaga dahil mabait ka or dahil uh, and because of your generosity, you give to someone. Now, pero kung yung instrument mo ng donation or instrument mo for giving someone a favor ay ay kumbaga ay defective or I mean malabo, uh, if or it is doubtful, it's as if hindi mo ginawa yun. Kumbaga parang magiging void yung donation if the doubt is substantial. Kumbaga kung sobrang importante nung part na mali or sobrang substantial, laki ng diferensya nung doubt, ay sobrang laki nung epekto nung doubt doon sa mismong instrument, pwedeng ma-invalidate yung it can be considered inexistent kung substantial yung doubt. If the contract of donation, for example naman, ay merong incidental lang naman yung doubts niya and palanan, then what yung interpretation that will yield the least transmission of rights ang pipiliin, ang gagamiting interpretation. Ano ito ibig sabihin natin when we say least transmission of rights? Kumbaga, yung kung ano yung interpretation, di ba maraming interpretations yan, ano? Kasi nga doubtful. There is doubts doon sa incidental aspects ng contract. Now, yung pinaka, yung sa gratuitous is, yung if the doubt is incidental only, yung kung ano yung interpretation na mas konti yung mawawala dun sa donor, yun yung gagawin natin. Yun yung pag-interpret dun sa instrument. Okay? If it's onerous naman, gaya ng nasabi natin kanina, yung may you give something in exchange for another, kumbaga may kapalit, hindi naman siya out of liberality or hindi naman siya donation, yung kung may malabo doon sa contract, it can be interpreted in such a way na magkakaroon ng greater reciprocity of rights. Ibig sabihin, kung ano ba ang mas fair? Kasi 'di ba nga onerous 'yon. You give something, you receive something, ano? So, ano ba yung pinaka-fair na arrangement between the two? Yun yung mananaig. Kumbaga, paano ba magkakaroon ng reciprocity between the parties? Greater reciprocity among the parties. Yun yung interpretation na gagamitin natin dun sa doubtful na contract. But again, you only use these rules kapag hindi malinaw yung intention ng parties. Pero kung malinaw naman yung intention ng parties, then you apply the literal